job here is done. Let's go home. So there you have it, a boomerang. Now, yes, this one did actually break pretty quickly, and I've had to glue it back together. It's one of the problems with using the wood that's not laminated or not from a bent tree. If you want to see more information about how I go into this and the thought process, I have a whole second video where I go into that, as well as if you want to see the tools that I'm using, I have links to those down below. I do want to say a huge thank you to the sponsor for today. We have Kershaw Knives, and they actually sent me these two. This one is one that I picked out for myself, and I've been wearing this now for several weeks now, and it has become my new daily knife. And if you don't normally carry a knife on you, it would be something I would highly suggest. I use them dozens of times a day, for marking out things on boards, for opening boxes, for whittling down, for just getting into things. Having a good, simple pocket knife is very, very useful. I know a lot of people like big Leathermans, but I like having just a knife that works well. And this particular one is thin enough, I can fit in my pocket and doesn't get into the way of things. And Kershaw Knives actually sent a second one as well, which I'm going to be giving away. This one is the Dividend, and it is a really, really nice knife. This one is actually made completely in the USA. A lot of their knives are made in the USA, and they have a huge selection. Really, I'm absolutely blown away by the quality, all metal, just beautiful, beautiful knives. So yes, this has become my normal daily pocket knife, and one I'm looking forward to using for a long time in the future. If you're looking for a good gift to get a woodworker, friend, or family member, these are phenomenal. I'd say definitely go take a look at their list. Everything they have on there is next level, and it does come with a peace of mind of a great warranty on there, so even if the pocket clip breaks, you can call them up and they'll ship you out a new one. They're really, really good customer service. I'm in love with this knife, and I'm looking forward to using this for many, many years to come because it is completely resharpenable and a great, great knife. If you'd like to win the Dividend, all you have to do is comment down below, and I'll be picking one of the winners a week from now, and we'll be shipping this out to you. So good luck on that, and definitely take a look at Kershaw Knives, and they have some sweet stuff on there. Thanks for supporting the channel and keeping Wood by Wright going. So I hope you enjoy this project, and I really do encourage you, go out, grab a whittling set, and have a little bit of fun in the shop, just playing around. Try something a little different, try something a little new, and something you might or might not actually be able to accomplish, but have a little bit of fun doing it. And you might be surprised what you get. So I think that'll do it for today, and until next time, have a wonderful day. The only problem with making a boomerang is it's one of those projects you know will probably come back and bite you, or sometimes it won't.